Hello Deluxe.
What's up, dude? Mitch, say hi to the camera. That was mean. What?
Hold this.
Yeah. Oh, shit, son.
Now?
You all look really stoned.
Hold on. Let me see this.
That's cool.
Alright, Mitch, take that out. We gotta put the fucking... Dude, and those fucking pipes are just sitting out.
What do we gotta take out?
Take out the black part. Don't elbow me in the hand.
I need a knife.
Where'd that pen go? Just use the pen.
Just pull it out of there.
Just rip it.
Well, I need a knife to cut the fucking plastic.
What is he doing to it? What is he doing to
He's
it?
taking that thing on so I can put my pipe together so you can smoke out my pipe.
I need a fucking knife. So
You know where that one was?